Hello there, my name is Emin Mamedov. I represent company IT-Sputnik. In this video, I want to tell more about chat and calls. Actually, by my previous video, Bitrix basically used for internal communication, task management, and as a CRM. So chat and calls, you can use Bitrix for internal communication. So if you click on chat and calls here, or on notification, or any incoming message from your colleagues in chats, you will see that screen, right? And in that screen, you can see the whole history of your communication, including notification from your task. For example, in real portal, when I click in here, I can see what happened with my tasks, all incoming, outgoing calls, incoming messages, and open channels communication, right? So inside of a chat, you can just type a name of your colleague, and by finding him, you can have a direct communication to him in chat. In the same way, you can click a personal chat. By fact, you will have the same. Or you can create a private chat. Means that you can add in that chat as many colleagues as you want. Right, so then you can add the public chat, which is quite the same as a private. The only difference is that any colleagues can join to that chat. Also, the most important thing here, you can create each video conference. So you can, it's like very similar to the Zoom. So you can create, put a name, click attendees, and once you will do that, you will have that chat here in video conference. So you can start that. You will start that video conference, or copy link, send to your client by email or any other by any other way. When you start it, so you will have that chat right here. When you have it with that video conference, so the most important tool for me here is that you're able to do the screen sharing. Very important when you're able to show your screen to your clients or colleagues, or you're able to even record that conference. So you can chat in that conference or add any other attendee, right? So we can stop that for now. And also in chat and calls, when you do the discussion, you can create a task directly during that discussion. For example, if you discuss something important, you can create a task and then put in details what exactly you need to do. Also some tasks from the chat will be copied to the task. Create a task. No. Right. So when you go to the task, you will see that text which is copied. So you can start it. The only thing which I don't like, you need to click edit and then add the project. So where you need to do, where you need to connect that task, because otherwise task will be just a task, a regular task with no project inside. And also you can discuss, create another chat for discussion, right? And also you can discuss in feed. So because you want to everybody see that discussion inside of a feed, so you can again like, comment, and follow, the same as I explained in a previous video on feed. Also one thing which is open channel, when you go to CRM forms, for example, in my website I got that CRM form, and if somebody will leave their data here, I will have them in my open channel, and then I can discuss, talk to client as just with my colleagues via regular chat. So again, regarding the phone, you can just type calls from here, and you will see all calls on that notifications. That's it actually. If you like that video, click like. If you got questions, put your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye bye.